Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video we are talking about a meme coin project that in my opinion has the narrative to go to multi-billion dollars in market cap. And I know it's a crazy statement, but in today's video we are going to talk about Eric the Goldfish. I'm going to show you guys exactly what the project is about. Should you buy in right now? Why will it potentially go up so much? And a lot more. So make sure you just like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure to follow me on Twitter. And let's get started with this video. So basically on Twitter, I posted on Twitter just a few days ago that Eric was most likely going to do extremely good. It was this tweet, it was 2 days ago, was showing you guys this project at just about a $1 million market cap, and I was telling you guys that this project has the potential to go to multi-billions or at least multi-millions. Well, right now we are actually trading here at a $3 million market cap, and we already reached $4.5 million market cap, so that's over a 4.5x from of that tweet. However, this will most likely keep on going up. The reason for it? Well, right now it is called Eric the Goldfish, but what is the narrative? Well, actually, Elon Musk just announced a few weeks ago, April 14th, so that's less than a week ago basically, he announced that he actually owns a pet called Eric. It's a fish, it says it right here, with my pet fish Eric. So yeah, basically it's just crazy what is currently happening, and not a lot of people are currently understanding this, but we all know that FLOKI, this coin, literally ran to a $1.5 billion market cap simply because it's the dog of Elon Musk. FLOKI, that's the dog of Elon Musk. That's basically why it went up this much. Now, basically Elon Musk has never basically announced that he has any other pet besides FLOKI till now, because he just announced that he also has a pet fish called Eric, which is insane. I mean, this is the second pet Elon Musk basically has announced publicly ever. This is the second pet he has ever owned probably, meaning that if FLOKI ran to a $1.5 billion market cap simply because it's the pet of Elon Musk, then imagine how high the second one can go called Eric when it's literally also a pet of Elon Musk. So yeah, right now this has the potential to go absolutely freaking crazy. So yeah, what are my targets? Well, first of all, FLOKI ran to a $1.5 billion market cap. If we simply do 1% of what FLOKI did, that would mean a $15 million market cap, which would still literally be more than a 5x from this level. I mean, from here to a $15 million market cap will be insane. However, it is extremely doable due to how high this is currently getting. I mean, we have literally been in an uptrend here literally for the past like few days, and we have in the last 2 days gone absolutely exponential, and right now it seems like we are just getting some consolidation before another leg up. So wouldn't be surprised if we trade at like $10-15 million market cap here at the end of the week. We have 5 more days till the end of the week, so yeah, that is in my opinion definitely possible. It's also a community takeover, meaning that nobody holds a lot of coins, the developer cannot work or abandon the project, it's up to the community. We all know what that means. It's really bullish because if it's a community takeover, it will most likely perform even better than if it had a good team, simply because community takeovers are just freaking bullish. They're much better than having a team, and basically all the coins that have ever done good, such as Dog with Head, did not have a team. It literally was a community takeover from the start, and it just ended up going to like a $3-4 billion market cap. So yeah, I just like how this coin is currently looking. The website is also extremely slick. I mean, we can see right now they have a pet, basically the tweets of Elon Musk. He actually tweeted about 2 times about this. Plus, it's also actually stated on the Tesla official website. It says it right here. This is tesla.com. My little chum, Eric the Goldfish, has an unnecessary. Yeah. So basically, said Elon Musk. Yeah, it just basically confirms that this is actually the pet of Elon Musk, which is insane. And pets of famous people basically have always tend to do really good. We have seen it with FLOKI, but also with Mario on Solana, but also with Conan right now on, of course, a Trump one on Ethereum. So right now, this is just looking extremely good. I have big bags packed. I'm just saying it to you right here. I have a lot of money into this project simply because I think that this can easily easily reach 10, 20, 30 million dollars market cap, simply because the narrative is just something I've not seen in a really long time. I mean, what is going to be a better narrative than literally the second pet of Elon Musk that is still trading at a $3 million market cap? If this ends up going to 30, 60, 90, 100 million dollars in market cap, then you are still so freaking early. I mean, the chart is just getting started in my opinion. We are just at wave 1. We're just waiting for wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Trust me, this is just getting started. Of course, nobody really knows what's going to happen. I don't want to make it a guarantee that this is a guaranteed good play. But yeah, basically, if you just match all the dots with each other and if you just use your own knowledge, then this is one of these projects that is just extremely bullish and has a good narrative and will most likely keep going up. We have seen it as well with Andy, Landwolf, all of these coins, Breath, all of these coins had an extremely good narrative, and that basically caused the price to go like crazy. We've seen it with Rido, and I think that Eric is the next one that is most likely going to do really good. I mean, this guy got Crash, you probably know him or not, but he had basically called Brad at a $1.5 million market cap, and I got a feeling that he may or may not just start talking about Eric as well, simply because the narrative is just so good, and in my opinion, he likes narratives a lot. He basically has only bought coins with a good narrative. So in my opinion, this seems like a really good narrative play for him as well. If he talks about it, it will instantly go to $30 million in market cap. So yeah, right now this has not even gotten any attention from any big people. Some really small influencers have been talking about this, such as me and some other people. But not like any crazy influencers have been talking about this, which is insane how early this is. It is right now already listed on CoinMarketCap, which is extremely bullish, and it seems like we are already getting a Polynex listing, which is also really bullish. So right now this is just getting started. This is just in the development stages, and I mean $3 million in market cap. If this literally runs to like a 30 million or I don't know 10% of what freaking FLOKI did, which is 150 million, then 10% of what FLOKI did will still be more than like a 50x from of this level, and that's 10% of what FLOKI did. If it goes to exactly the same heights of FLOKI, then from of this level that will be more than like a 500x. That just shows how freaking early this is, and if FLOKI can do it, why will not Eric be able to do it? Because it's literally the exact same narrative. The pet of Elon Musk, it's a goldfish, it's something new, it's good. Elon Musk has been talking about this, and this is not some old tweet, by the way. This tweet was literally posted like 10 days ago or something. This is not like a tweet from like 4 years ago that nobody really cares about. He literally posted this less than 10 days ago. So yeah, that's just insane. This is just looking really good. If you want to check this project out, Eric the Goldfish, it's called Eric on Ethereum. And by the way, I already made a video about this as well. However, that one was on Solana. Unfortunately, the Solana one didn't really end up doing well, and the Ethereum one ended up doing much better. So that's basically why I'm making another video about this one, but then on the Ethereum version. Seems like Ethereum just loves narratives a bit more than Solana does. So that being said, if you want to check out this project, I have all the links, of course, linked in the first link, second, third link in the description below, all the socials below. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, because that's where I post all of my new meme coin plays before I post them on YouTube, basically. And yeah, that being said, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you guys in my next crypto meme coin review.